our dogs. They're more than just our cute, cuddly pets. They're the partners in our hunt and our best friends. Fiocchi honors our valued hunting partners, our bird dogs, with the Fiocchi Friends Photo Contest. They know our four-legged partners are considered the best athletes of their kind. Fiocchi knows you and your dog are a team, and they continue to celebrate the commitment between you and your best friend with the Fiocchi Friends Contest. Now in its third year, the photo contest pays tribute to the loyal hunting dog and to the owners that care for them, train them, keep them warm, and allow them to express their great personality and capabilities in the wild. Fiocchi salutes the winners of the Fiocchi Friends Photo Contest. The passion you have for your dog and the hunt is matched only by Fiocchi's own passion for making high-quality ammunition to make your time together more enjoyable. Knowing it's skill, patience, timing, and good ammunition that makes a great hunt, Fiocchi is adding to their lead shot shell line of bird hunting ammunition with their new steel waterfowl shot shell, the Steel Warlock. Available in 12-gauge, this 3-inch shell is 1 1/5 ounce of steel shot that travels at 1550 feet per second. A balance of performance, shot pattern, and value, not common in other brands. A successful and memorable hunt is important to Fiocchi, one that you and your dog can enjoy. And with Fiocchi's new Steel Warlock waterfowl shot shell, this one's in the bag. For more information on Fiocchi ammunition and the Fiocchi Friends Photo Contest, visit www.fiocchiusa.com.